folks, I want to show you a quick look on a Dodge Durango GT. This is a 2021. It's a pretty nice vehicle. I want you to get a look at the interior of it, what it looks like pretty much. Once again, this is a Dodge Durango 2021 GT. You can see the dash and everything on it. Has like a nice little touch screen on it and all that, and a lot of controls. Your climate control stuff is down here on it. A quick look at it. This is actually the interior. Of course, it's a 6-seater. If you can see back there, it has actually 6 seats on it. There's a lot of bells and whistles on it and all that pretty much. That's your touch screen right here. A lot of your controls and stuff on it. There's your climate control. Your gear shift is right here. There's your gauges and everything. Take a better look at it. See your gauges. Alright folks, I just wanted to give you a quick look of a Dodge Durango 2021 GT. Give you a look at what the interior of it looks like. It's a pretty nice vehicle. It's nice and sleek and clean. It has all the bells and whistles on it pretty much. So if you're thinking about getting a Dodge Durango or something like that, this may be something you want to check out. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.